Hi, my name is Mohd Hafuzallah, and today we're going to learn about what is machine learning. So next, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focus on the usage of data and algorithms to enable AI to imitate the way humans learn. So basically, this one AI machine learning is actually they want to imitate how humans learn. So that is why machine learning versus deep learning and versus AI exists. So while we think they are quite the same, they are actually not the same. So machine learning is an application of AI to allow machine to learn without being specifically programmed, while deep learning requires less human intervention. So there are actually a bit of difference in machine learning, deep learning, and AI. They are not the same. Okay, so deep learning they learns from its own errors, while machine learning needs human to intervene. That is the major difference in them. So next one is the term machine learning is introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959, and in 1950, Alan Turing made a Turing test to determine if a computer can convince a human that he is also a human. So next one, in the machine learning gained momentum in the late 20th century, and it was used in detecting cancer models and also for predicting the trading market. And the next is types of machine learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset. Unsupervised learning involves an unlabeling data. It is the opposite of the supervised learning. Okay, and we have the reinforced learning. The reinforced learning is commonly used in robotics gaming, where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with the environment. So next one we have application. We have application in healthcare, in personalized treatment plans and drug discovery. We also have data preprocessing. Is analyze data and important step in data mining process. And last one is autonomous vehicle, where reinforcement learning use it in the self-driving cars. That's all for me.
Now we are going to learn about the challenges in machine learning. We are going to understand the bias, transparency, and regulation relating to machine learning. So here are the key facts we need to know before we can continue on. First, machine learning models make decisions based on objectivity and logical reasoning as well as through pattern recognition. Two, machine learning models have decision-making capabilities that neither the machine nor the developers can understand. And three, machine learning models are easily accessible by everyone. Now, challenge one, algorithmic bias. Machine learning models are trained based on human-made datasets. Humans are inherently biased, and therefore machine learning models will exhibit bias upon use and thus digitizing cultural prejudices. For example, machine learning models may exhibit gender bias and stereotyping as well as language bias. Challenge two, transparency. As mentioned before, the inner working of machine learning models are impossible to be described or be reviewed. It is akin to a black box. Therefore, it is difficult to ascertain whether any decisions made by machine learning models are fair and trustworthy. This is a major concern in fields where trust, ethical, and regulatory standards are crucial, such as healthcare and insurance. Challenge three, regulation. Due to how easily accessible machine learning models are, concerns are raised regarding machine models usage in public surveillance and disinformation campaigns, as well as deepfakes by malicious actors. The impact of AI and machine learning models are unpredictable and isn't well understood. Therefore, regulations must be made. In 2024, The Artificial Intelligence Act proposed by the European Council that laid the regulatory and legal framework for AI came into force and will be enforced in EU countries. It's up to you.
Hello everyone, my name is ALEEM and now we will continue with the advantages and the disadvantages of machine learning.
Let's do this.
So number one, the advantages is predictive analytics, which is machine learning enabled to forecast future trends and outcomes based on the historical data and current variable. For example, the weather forecast. We can know if tomorrow will be sunny or rainy. So the second one is the fraud detection. Machine learning algorithm can analyze transaction data in real time to detect pattern indicative of fraudulent activity. So it can uh, help us to keep our information safe from the hackers. The third one is risk management. Machine learning algorithms help business identify and prioritize risks, develop proactive strategies, and minimize potential negative impact on their operation and stakeholder. So the last one is increased efficiency. With machine learning, it can automate repetitive tasks. For example, for athlete, it can help athlete to maximize their training to the fullest. So that's all the advantages. Now we will move to the disadvantages.
Oh no!
Number one of the disadvantages is the limited autonomy. Because we know that for machine learning, there is a set of programs. So machine learning or computer don't have imagination. So they cannot produce something out of the box or produce something more creative. So that's what we call limited autonomy. So the second one is number two is security and privacy concern. We know that machine learning is based on computer and online, and our information is all online. So if we our information is online, so hacker may hack our information if there is something wrong with the machine learning or something wrong with our security. So the last one is limited generalization, which is we know that machine learning have a set which domain specificity, which that is a specific program for one thing. So for example, a model trained to recognize cat may not perform well when tasked with identifying other type animal. If we set the program to only know cat, we cannot ask dog what is dog. The the machine learning cannot know about it because we only set it to know the cat. So that's why we call it the limited generalization. So that's all the disadvantage and the disadvantage of machine learning from me. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Bye!
Bye.